What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arccway, new direction of a modern man. And today's video, I'm sharing with you guys an egg yolk mask video. So you guys can check out this video. All these type of ingredients, all these type of things are actually in your household. So you guys can take an egg, just give it a crack and take out the yolk out of it and then apply it to your face. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did this and how I applied it onto my face so you guys can see the benefits behind it and you guys can get a better understanding of why I did it. So yet again, guys, if you guys are new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe down to the channel. Hit that subscribe button right here and also check out the IG page right there so you guys can stay updated with the latest content on Arccway. And also give this video a thumbs up so more people see it. So one thing I gotta say about applying an egg to your face is that it has a lot of benefits. So if you guys are looking for more or less benefits towards your skin, it has tons of benefits. So I'll post them right here on the screen so you guys can see. It has vitamin A, so it can help you out with like skin dryness, flakiness on your skin. It has B2 for more of the hydration. It has B3 as well. These are a list of things that are actually contained in the egg. So there's so many benefits within the skin. Also help your skin tighten up a bit. So what I did was I grabbed an egg from my standard fridge. So basically you give that a crack and then you just have to separate the egg white from the yolk. And after you separate the egg white from the yolk, just get some of the egg white. You can use your hand. I use a teaspoon for like the first half. Then I just switched it out for my hand for any places I did miss. So I basically get a teaspoon, kind of just put it on your face and just kind of just look into the mirror and just kind of put it on your face like a mask essentially, right? And then over time, make sure you get all over the circumference of your face. So I'm talking about from your hairline to the sideburns to maybe underneath your beard. If you don't have a beard, put it all over your chin as well. And what I did actually from there was I used my hand just to cover any other grounds that I missed. So that way you don't waste the yolk, but at the same time you're using it for the best benefit. So also what I did was I used the remainder of the egg yolk within my beard because there's tons of benefits within doing that. So if you guys are looking for more benefits within egg yolk, more benefits within having the egg yolk within your hair as well. So I applied it in my beard. I let that pretty much sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. At first it is a lot wet than usual, but then over time it just dries really quickly. I basically just chilled, did my day-to-day thing. And then after that, I just rinsed my face off. It was easy to come off. I didn't have any problems. I got my face towel as well. Basically wiped off the remainder, did a self-check, and everything was all good. My skin was actually a lot more lighter. It was a lot more brighter. And one thing I'll recommend you guys to do is actually get some lotion on the side because you don't want to waste your time and let your skin dry up too fast. So I applied the Lubriderm right after I washed off my face. So definitely try this face mask. Let me know how it goes for you guys. If you guys have any comments, put it in the section down below. Let me know if you actually tried this face mask. I'm quite curious if you guys have tried this face mask at all. I actually have other skincare videos regarding home remedies. So I just finished off with that skincare routine of the egg mask, and I gotta say my skin is a lot more tighter and the skin is a lot more refreshed. So make sure you guys subscribe down to this channel down below, hit that like button so more people can see the content, and also check out the Instagram on IG so you guys can see more content that I do post on Arccway. Also, let me know your opinions on the face mask routine of the egg mask, and also if you like any other videos, make sure you give them a like and share the videos. So most importantly, guys, thank you guys for watching Arccway, a new direction of a modern man. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.